How to set time limits on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch TikTok app. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner. Choose setting and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and select screen time. Now tap on delay screen time. And here you can easily set your daily limit. For example, you can easily choose 60 minutes. For that, you need to tap on Edit Delay Screen Time and change the time. So you can set a custom limit per day. You can choose the days and then you can easily set the same limit every day. You can choose the time and make it to 1 hour, 1 hour 20, 30 minutes, 2 hours, or you can easily set the custom time. For example, 55 minutes. Tap on Done button. With that, you need to come back and then turn on the button for 55 minutes every day. Come back, and here you can easily set the screen time breaks as well. You can tap on a schedule break and choose the break time. Come back, and here you can choose the sleep reminders as well on this section. And with that, you will successfully set up your TikTok time limit and breaks. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.